Hi everyone, awesomely wonderful people out there in the world. I am Urvinder Singh, founder of Soulsmiths. The name itself says it all, isn't it? Be an architect of your own life. Design your life, your wishful life. First, before starting and giving anything information on this video, I would like to thanks my mentor, Lija Kleber. Thanks a lot of gratitude towards her. So let's dive in. Let's dive in with all the information. You know, let's start by, saying the lot of questions what we put, in our entire life actually. We say a lot of whys. Why this is happening to me? Why God? Why me? Why the things are not happening? Why relationships are not working? Why my financial things are not working? Why my social things are not working? There are a lot of whys actually. So to answer to that, it's a basic thing. Let's understand one thing. We've been kept out of that awareness. How powerful human beings we are. Right. And let's start by, let me put my perspective into it. Whatever our life is, how our outside circumstances, what the kind of life we are leading, anything which is happening in our surroundings, whatever it is there in our surroundings, let it be our family, our children, our companion, our work life, or anything. Matter of fact, anything. I must tell you, this is projected from inside out. We are like a projector. We are like a projector, as I said so, you rightly heard. We are like a projector, and whatever is happening outside is into our matter life. Is just mere reflection of what is going on inside us. Seriously saying that is actually the truth. You know what? We must, if you don't agree, that's perfectly well, I understand. We really have not been programmed to understand. We are not made that much aware to understand that. Consciously or subconsciously, whatever it is, our life is surrounded by a projection, mere projection from inside out. And that's what the reality is. So my first video, to give you an idea what we store and how we can maneuver for a better life, how we can actually have a blissful life according to our own self, a wishful life one can lead. Why we can just avoid or not lead an autopilot mode kind of a life, where accident happen. Everything happened accidentally and we wonder why it happened. As I said, in all kind of situations earlier. So basically, one thing you need to understand is that we are creating our own life. There is no destiny. We are powerful enough to create that. You must have gone through a lot of transformational coaching and other things. Must have. People talk about law of attraction. You must have seen the movie called The Secret. Fine. And there's some things, we see on internet and all, why law of attraction is not working. In fact, it is working every second. But yes, why we are not seeing the desired results? That's the question. Why? Why we are not projecting? That's why we are not projecting the kind of things we really wish. To give you an example, normally as all humans what we do is, we think about what we really want to do. But don't you think we think opposite of that many a times? How will it happen? Will society approve of that? If we start a business, how market's gonna support it? And many whys and hows are there. So what you have done is, you have projected you made a film or a movie out inside out with a lot of doubts of what you exactly want in your life. Like if you're watching a movie, right? You don't like a particular scene. You don't like a particular whatever. A villain in the movie, you don't like that he's doing this to some other person or whatever it is. You really can't change it on the screen, right? Isn't that? Yes or yes? If you really want to change it, but you have to react it and change it, right? So where that acting happens is inside you. Let me just give you this much into this first video of mine. And you really want to upgrade yourself holistically. We have heard about, upgrading our mindsets, but let's upgrade ourselves holistically. We should know everything about our mental body, our emotional body, our physical body, and very misunderstood our energy body, what we call our spiritual body. We have actually linked that spirituality with our religion, respective religion. So let's dive in more deep into my upcoming videos. Do share if you want other people to get aware about it. Do follow it on Instagram as well by the name of Soulsmith Soulmate. And be part of this. Why? Because you are not accidentally seeing this video. There is awareness, there is a calling from inside, which actually is making you come to this video. And let's do it. Follow me. Let the other people also follow. Share it and subscribe it. And please kindly do send me in the comment box what topics you want me to take up into next videos. Whatever challenges you have in your life. I would not say a problem, right? Because there's always solution for a challenge, So let's see, let's do it. Kindly comment me in the inbox and the comment section what topics I should take, and which are the more popular topics, I'll take it on to it. And in the last, I promise you one thing. Definitely, with the coming time, with my upcoming videos, you'll see, you will actually upgrade yourself. Thank you so much.